So today guys, I want you to rate my bass out of 10. So I've got these Los Combinaciones 127.5 million per second. I got this Grypus Medusi 8.5 million per second. I got this Chicletaria Bichicletaria 4.3 million per second. I've got this Zombie Tralala 4.2 million per second. I've got this other Zombie Tralala 4.2 million per second. And I've also got an Orcalita Orcala 2 million per second. I've also got a Guerrero Digitale 2.2 million per second. I also got a Gatico Takoto 1.8 million per second. I got a Trippy Tropa 1.4 million per second. I'll be giving away the Los Combinaciones to whoever comments their username. Anyways, peace.